A wide variety of surveys are commonly used to collect data and drive district improvement. To encourage professional learning and build district capacity, the Wake County Public School System Department of Data, Research, and Accountability created this Canvas course for staff. Much of the course's information was summarized from a series of documents produced by the Regional Educational Laboratory. This step-by-step survey development course supports school and central services staff in using best practices for developing, administering, and reporting survey outcomes. This course was designed to provide you with an understanding of the survey process from beginning to end, and to acquaint you with the resources you need to successfully and confidently engage in the process. Let's talk more specifically about what's inside. In the Introduction module, you will receive an overview of the basics of survey development and deployment. We will start by defining key terms, discussing possible survey formats, reviewing survey tools that are available, and providing an overview of the survey development process. In the Survey Development module, you will learn how to identify topics of interest, locate existing survey items that may be relevant to your research, draft new survey items, and/or modify pre-existing items. Finally, we will discuss reviewing your survey draft in collaboration with key stakeholders and content experts, as well as how to pre-test your survey to get useful feedback before deployment. In the Introducing Your Survey to Participants module, you will learn the key elements that should be included in your Wake County Public School System Surveys introduction in order to provide participants with critical information, such as your survey's purpose, length, and intended audience. In the Writing Survey Items module, you will learn how to establish goals for writing your survey items, as well as the guidelines for selecting response options, formatting considerations, and skip patterns so your survey respondents only answer questions that are relevant to them. By the end of this module, you will know how to write survey items correctly, as well as how to avoid some of the most common pitfalls and mistakes. In the Administering Surveys module, you will learn about the 5-step process for selecting a sample and administering a survey. These steps include defining your target population, deciding upon a sampling procedure, determining your sample size, selecting your sample, and administering the survey itself. In the Examining and Reporting of Survey Data module, you will learn how to review your analysis plan, prepare and check data files, calculate response rates, compute and summarize your data, and get ideas for presenting your results in tables or figures. The Resources module provides a list of all the resources discussed in each of the modules, including examples, links to additional information, and a graphic organizer to help you tie everything together. Good luck, and let's get started!